Hey guys, so as I talked about in my first video, one of the things I want to talk about on here is about nail polish and nail art, nail design, and all that good stuff. So I thought my very first video, I should do it with, or about, not sponsored, about one of the companies that I came across when I was searching for stamping tips and tricks and all that. And it's called Mundo De Uña. And it's a company that's based in Mexico, Querétaro. They only had a handful of, like I said, a handful of videos, so I thought, why not start with them? And so hopefully everything that I ordered is in here. And yeah, so the other side has this is what it looks like. They apparently like wrap the whole thing like a present and whatnot. And damn, look at all these stamps. But yeah, it came all the way from Mexico to the US. And the other side has my address, so I'm not going to show you that because y'all don't care about where I live and all that, but I'm still not going to show it to you. And so yeah, so I'm going to open this up. It's going to probably take me a minute, so I'm going to have to put this down, put my phone down, and try and open it up. So pause. Okay, so that wasn't too bad. I just took off the wrapping paper. Pretty much what it was. I feel like my mani, that was one of my first, not one of my first, like my second mani that I've done with maniology. We'll talk about that later. But anyways, right now about Mundo De Uña. This is what looks like just a regular box, just a regular packaging box. So let me open it up. Pause. Okay, so let's see. We got bubble wrap. Thick old bubble wrap. Let's see. Oh, and this is how. Oh, I ordered like a bunch of like the little, I guess, travel size, or I don't know what you would call these. Just the mini ones, I guess. The mini nail polishes. So I gotta look over my email, make sure I got everything I ordered. Actually, that's a whole nother story about the email situation. I don't have an email from them. Actually, I have an email that PayPal charged me, but I never actually got an email from them confirming that the company received an order from me. So that was confusing. All in all, you guys, I ordered it like October 25th, and it came in yesterday, and yesterday is November 20. No, not 20. No, yesterday was November 19th. Today is November 20. And but it's also because, you know, we're dealing with COVID and all that. But that was like, wow, I was surprised because, you know, I got UK stuff a lot quicker from, you know, other items, not nail stuff that I haven't ordered nail stuff from UK yet. But yeah, so this is them, the little card. Thank you for ordering. Use code THANKS10 in your next order and get 10% off. Regards from Mexico, Mundo de Uñas. Okay, so what did I get? I forgot. It's been a month. Oh, I guess I just got the plates. Yeah, I just got the plates, like a bunch of individual plates. I don't even see an order sheet in here. Well, damn. Well, now we're just going to have to play with my memory and see if I remember everything I decided to order. Okay, let me just pause because I can't take this out with one hand. Okay, here we go. So I unwrapped the plates, and I might have to shut my light off so it doesn't reflect so strong. So we'll try and see how this works out. And yep, you see that's my Clorox wipes, because I gotta wipe everything that gets delivered to my house. You know, safety first, you guys. So this one, I honestly ordered like a bunch of Harry Potter designs because, like I said in my first video, I'm a big old pothead Harry Potter fan. So this is what I got, and I'm trying to remember what led me to getting this particular plate. Also, I had, you know, I wasn't expecting them to be all this big, but it does explain as to why. I can't remember if on their website it says like the dimensions, the sizes, or whatever of each plate. But dang, these are small. Which is good because, you know, I'm starting my collection of plates. So hopefully these still work, and these, you know, in terms of transferring the images onto my nails. And I do remember one of them was like pricey, and I don't know, I didn't even think about it as why. Why is that so much more pricier than the rest? And anywho, so I trying to remember as to why I got this one, because I'm not big of a fan about these little guys. They're cute and all, but I'm not that big of a fan of them. So the only thing I can think of as to why I would get it is for the Professor Snape and Professor McGonagall, and also probably got it for, I don't know. Oh, look at the pixies. I didn't notice that before. But probably because that way I would have all the Harry Potter plates that they have. And I think I did. I think I got them all. And I think this one was like $7.99. And then these were also cheap. They were less than $7.99. If I remember the prices correctly. Again, it's been a month. So, yeah. And then, let me see. I really loved the, you know, like the fonts and the creatures, the beasts down here. I don't know who that is. It's hard to tell from the camera who that is. I'm just gonna guess and say that's probably Harry. And there's the mentors right there. So it says Harry Potter 3. I don't know what that means. I guess is that because of the Prisoner of Azkaban? I don't know. But anywho, yeah. So that's this one. Let's look at the other ones. Try not to make this too long of a video. Oh, I know I definitely got this one because of the Deathly Hallows right there. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get that on my nail or nails for it to look nice, or like I'm representing it right. But that was one of the main reasons why I got that plate, was because of that. Dang it! I'm trying to figure out a way to show it. Yeah, that's pretty much why I got it mostly. And next one, let's do this quickly. And I Clorox wiped all these also, so that's why they're sticking to each other. And let's see, this one I pretty much got it because of the actors right here. Well, the characters, the actors right here. That's pretty much why I got it. I want to try and see if I can get that on my nail. Toby, we miss you. Free the elves. And that's why I got that one. I'm assuming they're numbering these plates because of it's just a number like Harry Potter 2. I don't know. And let me see. Or maybe this is 2 because of, no. I'm trying to think. No, is it because of Chambers of Secrets? I don't know. But in Chamber of Secrets, we don't talk about. They don't talk about this about the Deathly Hallow sign. So maybe it's just plate number 2. I don't know. Comment down below if you see this video and tell me if you figured that out for me. And yeah, once again, I got this one because of the characters right here. But I like the crescents. I'm a hardcore Ravenclaw, so yep. And not because I chose to be. It's because I already took all the tests and quizzes and all that. Official quizzes. And all 3 that I took, because I had to retake one of them because I got locked out when they switched the into Wizarding World, because it was, what was it before? Potter something. I don't know. But they switched the name from the original website name that it was before. And I got locked out. Anyways. So yeah, so I'm a Ravenclaw. And alright, this is already going longer than I expected, so let me hurry up. And then this one I got because I just really liked Beauty and the Beast. And I got it mostly because of this design here. This design, like the mosaic, I guess you want to call it, stained glass, whatever you want to call it. And the one right here of the flower, mostly got it because of those, because I do like old school Disney, and not a super fanatic where I collect things or anything like that, like I do for Harry Potter, but I do like that enough to put it on my nails. Let's see. Pause. Okay, so I wrapped all the little nail polishes, and I got 6 of them. And it looks like I did get everything I ordered. I don't have a slip to go off of or an email to go back to look. And usually I screenshot my orders, but this one kind of flashed really quick after I hit purchase. You know, after I put all my info in, that I didn't get a chance to really screenshot. You know, I'm old school like that. I want to screenshot if I can screenshot and not just rely on an email, which would have worked out for me, but the thing went too fast and I didn't get a chance to screenshot. So then I was relying on an email that I never got. So yeah, that was kind of worrisome considering it was my first time ordering from this brand. And so I was like, all right, you know, here's hoping I get all my stuff and that I'm not just ordering from a company that doesn't exist. But there was, like I said, at least a handful of videos that I saw, literally like a handful of videos doing a review on this brand, that I was like, all right, I think y'all either live in Canada or the US. So I'm going to go ahead and order, because it looks like you guys got your stuff. And one of them was like from 5 months ago. So I feel like, okay, that's pretty recent. And, and all the plates came in this little pouch. Not something I had to pay for. I didn't have to pay for this. It's just a little sleeve of a pouch. I don't know if if I remove this, is it sticky? I don't know. But anywho, yeah, so that's everything I got. Hopefully I'll get a chance to do a video where I can show you guys if this stuff worked out or not. All right, it's already running long, this video, longer than I intended. So thank you for watching, and like I said, comment, like, subscribe if you want to just hang out with me and do nails or any of the other topics that I spoke about in my first channel. I'm just doing this for fun, you know, not looking to be YouTube famous. Just wish we weren't going through this COVID situation, this pandemic, and I could hang out with my friends and talk with them, and yeah, about all the things that interest me, that hopefully interest some of you guys. So yeah, alrighty guys, talk to you later. Bye.